Hello guys, I'm here. Thank you, Mayor. Our Mayor of San Jose Del Monte is coming here inside in our subdivision to give a help of the help. So they have more stuff there to give in all the people living here. So thank you, Mayor. Hello, thank you. That's the because we are all here inside the subdivision is a home quarantine. So our mayor help give help, and then they give foods, some sardines, rice, and other stuff. He's our barangay captain then. Look. So all people here inside subdivision are all happy to are all happy to get help from our mayor here in San Jose del Monte, but San Jose del Monte Mayor Arthur Robes. Thank you, Mayor, for helping us. And his wife is a congressman also, Ate Rida Robes. Thank you both. And more blessing to come, Mayor. Congressman Ate Rida. Thank you so much for helping us here inside subdivision of Australia. Yes. See? Thank you very much. All people here happy. So I am too happy because I got a help from. It's hard to get out here inside inside the subdivision because of we are all here home quarantine. So that's why we are not ignore all people here inside subdivision. So they give help. This is the frontliner. Thank you, frontliner. See? It's not our mayor here. It's not here. It's not he helped. Not it's not here only. All and San Jose del Monte. All people in San Jose del Monte. Okay. Thank you, Mayor once again, and Ate Rida Robes, our governor. Thank you. Bye-bye.